Microblading, what you need to know about semi-permanent eyebrows. Eyebrows should be dense, full and always in shape. And that already after getting up. Microblading aims to fulfill this wish for us. But is the method of semi-permanent brow makeup safe? Everything you need to know about microblading. What is microblading? Microblading is an ancient Asian technique and is considered an alternative method to conventional permanent makeup machines. Unlike permanent makeup, with microblading the color is pigmented into the eyebrows by hand. The beautician traces the finest hairs with a row of blades. The blades glide over the skin with gentle pressure, creating many microcuts. The cuts are so fine that you can hardly tell the drawn hairs from the real hairs. Irrespective of the amount of your own hair, microblading therefore looks very natural. People who suffer from hair loss or who have lost their hair as a result of chemotherapy benefit particularly from this. But also everyone who is not yet completely satisfied with the appearance of their eyebrows. Is microblading right for you? Microblading is suitable for anyone who decide for themselves about the shape, color and volume and thus want to retain full control over the entire process. Do not want to affect the natural hair growth of the brow with the treatment. Want to save time doing eyebrow makeup. How does microblading work? A manual pen equipped with sterile and very fine disposable needles is used for pigmentation. With this microblading pen, individual, fine strokes in the form of little hairs are worked into the skin with gentle pressure. These hairs form the framework of the pigmentation. How long does microblading take? Microblading treatment lasts about 2 hours and includes all stages of the treatment. What is the cost of microblading? The average cost of a microblading treatment in Switzerland is between $450 and $650. How painful is microblading? The perception of pain differs from person to person. Despite everything, the pain of a microblading treatment is comparable to a tattoo and experience has shown that it is bearable. Depending on the treating studio, additional numbing creams are sometimes offered, which reduce the pain. When it comes to microblading, does permanent mean forever? Microblading pigmentation must be refreshed regularly to prevent color fading. This means that the treatment is only permanent for a certain period of time. A one-time microblading has an average durability of 1.5 to 2 years. Who is microblading not suitable for? Microblading is not suitable for anyone who have a lot of red pigments in the skin, because the color tends to have a red tinge more quickly. Want a light eyebrow color because the color tends to redden more quickly. Do not want a color and shape change and do not want to refresh the treatment. Are pregnant or breastfeeding. Suffer from diabetes. When can you go back on the road after microblading? In most cases, the skin is only a little reddened after a treatment and a little shiny due to the greasy cream. So you can mingle with the people again immediately after the treatment. How long does microblading on eyebrows last? After the second appointment, microblading eyebrows should last for at least 9 months. However, the time varies from person to person. It also depends on the condition of the skin and can last up to 2 years. Have you decided to do microblading? You should note that. Inform you. Before you make your appointment, you should inform yourself extensively about the studio in which you would like to be treated. Check the website. Does the studio look reputable? Do the beauticians have experience in the technique? Are there friends who have been there before or information in forums about it? Let yourself be convinced. Arrange a free consultation and let the microblading expert explain the exact process to you. Make sure that the studio is professional and ask for reference photos. Since microblading is done manually, the experience of the microblading expert is crucial. Get measured. At your appointment, you will choose a type-appropriate shape and color with the help of the expert. If you are not quite sure about the color choice, it is better to choose a lighter shade. You can always darken it for a second treatment. Then your eyebrows are precisely measured and drawn. Care for you. You should literally pamper your eyebrows after the treatment. Clean them at regular intervals with water and cream them with Vaseline. Corrections? Yes, gladly. A follow-up appointment is required about a month after the treatment. On the one hand, the fading color is refilled. In this way, the color can be chosen more intensively even if you are unsure about the color at the first appointment. On the other hand, other wishes regarding the shape can also be taken into account. Is microblading recommended? Editor Gloria tested microblading herself and is satisfied with the result. Because of the semi-permanent eyebrows, she has more time for breakfast in the morning. Thank you very much for watching the video.
I hope you liked the video I have prepared for you. If so, it would make me very excited. I do comment and a like. That would encourage me a lot to continue preparing more content. And if you want more useful videos like this, do not forget to subscribe and activate the little bell. Until the next video, have a nice day.